All right, this is Andy with Lost in Screen and Digital. Today we're going to cover what the difference is between like JPEGs, PNGs, tiff, what's transparent, what's not. For the direct-to-garment, more people are using the Photoshop format files, and they always have questions of why isn't one transparent versus the other. I'm going to show you how that works. So I'm going to bring up Photoshop. And in Photoshop, when you bring in a file, if it has a transparent background, it will have the little checkerboard behind it. Like if you brought in another design, you'd actually see it on the other side of this shirt, anything you bring in. So let me go into a folder. A friend of mine ordered some artwork to be printed on a direct-to-garment machine. And she got a PNG, a JPEG, and a tiff. And she wanted to know which one do I use. Well, most of the time, tiffs and PNGs can have a transparent background if they are done correctly. That's not always the case. A PNG will never have a trans background. So what we'll have to do is we have to open up to find out what's in each one of these. So I can open this JPEG up first to show you. Okay, so this one here is a JPEG. It does not have a transparent background, so we can't really use it unless we want to work on it again. So here's the PNG. It does have a transparent background, so that one could be used. And then the tiff will open that one up too. And it also has a transparent background. Here's what people have sometimes is when they bring in the artwork and they put them on the shirt, here's where they're going to run into an issue. Even on the right side over here, I've already brought in a tiff and I brought in a JPEG. The tiff is exactly what we're looking for. So you'd be able to bring this right in, center it up on the shirt, and go ahead and print. If you were to bring it in on a JPEG, that's not going to work because it's going to try and print this white ink. So you're going to have to go in there and figure out a way to get rid of all of this here so that you don't have that white ink. But most of the time, if you get rid of this white, it solves the issue. So hopefully it helps a little bit on the designs. And another thing, I was looking earlier for some artwork to print, and I found a website here that's called PNG Fuel, and all of these have transparent backgrounds. So, and it does say it is transparent cutout PNG images for designers, free and unlimited downloads. So that's kind of a nice site where you can find some stuff here and be able to possibly bring it right on in. So like I brought in a bunch of different ones here, all of these here. You can pretty much just, like this one here, we're going to open it up into Photoshop. And I can drag it on over to the shirt, size it up, go to Image, Free Transform, size it up, and that would be ready to put on the shirt. All right, hopefully that helped.